Our Indian customs shall continue to grant protection to patent rights and enforce patent laws when judicial pronouncement in India establish patent offences, and customs is entrusted with responsibility of implementing any such order of any courts in India. Creation of desired level of IP legislative framework would not be sufficient unless it is backed by effective enforcement procedure mechanism.
Yesterday, our Honorable Prime Minister was there with film industry people, and he himself said that the piracy is an insult to the creative work. So the government at top level is very much concerned about these issues, and as you know that the very IPR, India has very strong IP regime, and in this regime is addressed by having a strong IP laws. We have patent, trademark and copyright law very effective and TRIPS compliant, and our offices are also very modern. As you know that IPR policy, which was released in 2016, had 7 objectives to address the IP matters. The 4 very important aspects of which are relating to this particular seminar on these issues is IPR awareness, because IPR awareness is very important part to address, to make people aware about the counterfeiting, piracy. So very important part of this IPR policy. And then second part is the legal and legislative framework, which I talked about, having a TRIPS compliant IP laws in India, and the administrative and management. So these all IP offices, how they are to be managed and how effectively they work. As you know that while this IP offices used to take a lot of time in registration of trademark, patent, but with last 3 years or 2 years, you must have all observed that how effectively we have reduced the time. There was a time when trademark application after filing used to take around 13 to even 3 years to respond to the first examination report, to issue the first examination report. And we brought it down to 13 months. Now the first action is issued within less than 30 days. So we are able to take action very quickly in issuing the first examination action in terms of for the trademark application. And similarly, when the Copyright Office was with Ministry of Human Resources and Development, at that time they used to take 3 years for the registration of any copyright work. Now in 2016, this office, DIPP, the government has shifted this department to DIPP, and now the copyright registration are done within 3 months from the date of filing of the application. And last week we introduced the online filing of the copyright will work. Earlier you have the online filing, but you could not upload the work. But now we have introduced the uploading of the work through online system.